Hare Krishna devotees, this is Bhakti Caitanya Swami here, and I'd like to invite you all to the 2025 Baltic Vaishnava Summer Festival. It's going to be a really wonderful festival. We've got some very nice guests coming. There'll be amazing kirtan and so many things going on. It's really going to be great. It's starting on July the 20th, and it's going till July the 27th. And nice facilities will be there for living. Very nice prasadam will be there. So please come and become part of it and just get into it. Take part in the kirtans and listen to the classes and just associate with all the nice devotees. It's going to be just a really wonderful experience. So I'm looking forward to it myself. I'll be there to get the association. I'd like to get your association also. So please come and we'll see you there. Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai.